to Tech, and today we'll be looking at the house management module of our ERP system. So let's quickly navigate to it. So as we can see, we have the house management module over here, along with several other sub-modules under it. So as we know, in many schools we have the system of different houses, wherein we have houses like earth, water, fire, air, or any other houses which denote different colors and different categories, such as red, blue, white, green, etc. So the very first option that we have here is student house allocation. So since we have multiple houses, firstly we can add the name of the house. So for example, I need to add water house. I can just type the name over here, and different houses have different captains, vice captains, and supervisors as well, which are often chosen through the elections in the school. So you can then enter the name of the captain, the vice captain who has been chosen, and the supervisor, who is often a staff member or a teacher who is responsible for the entire management of the particular house, along with any other description if required, and you can save it in order to upload it. Moving on to assignment management. So once we have already entered all of the houses that we have, we can select the house and we'll get the list of the students who have been assigned that particular house, or we can on our end assign them the house that we want. Next we have the house event. So as we know that since we have these multiple houses in the school, there are many inter-house competitions going on between the teams of different houses. So you can enter the name of the event. So it could be a sports day for an example. So you can add the name, the type of event. So you could have multiple type of event. It could be related to some creative activities, leadership, or sports, or anything. So then you can select whether it is a single individual sport or a team sport, the date of the event, time, number of houses, number of students, and the points as to how many ranks are there for the winners. And you can save it in order to upload it over here. Next we have student event. So since we have multiple teams and multiple students from multiple houses, we can assign them the event and the team. So for example, we can choose the event, and as we know that maximum one student is allowed for it, you can select the house of that student and enter the name. So you can save it in order to assign a particular event to a student who might be interested in participating. Next we have event result management. So from here we can basically edit the points or the ranks that we'll be allotting to the winners. So you can select the event which is going to be held, the house, and the student, along with the points table, in order to mention all the details such as the points, the rank, the house number, and the event, etc. of the particular student. And we also have an option to generate a report of the same. So when we click over here, we'll be able to get a house-wise competition report along with all the necessary details. Lastly, we have the house leaderboard. So this is something that is often displayed in the school softboards, etc., or on the notice board. So it will be very convenient to keep a track of all the winners, the leading house, the ranks and total points, etc., using this house leaderboard submodule.